Man, I swear, no matter how many times we clean, the floors are dirty again like 5 minutes later.
Come on, man.
Between the kids, snacks, running around all day, it just never stops. And honestly, sometimes you just want to spend time with the family, not constantly be cleaning. So today we're putting this to the test. This is the ECOVACS Deebot X12 OmniCyclone, and we're going to see if this can actually keep up with a real family home.
To make sure every corner of your home is clean, Deebot needs to create a map to learn your home layout first.
What's up guys, this is Daddy O from the O Family channel. Today we're taking a look at the ECOVACS Deebot X12 OmniCyclone.
Okay.
That's a long name. We're going to get it set up and see how it works around the house and put it through some real life cleaning tests to see how it handles everyday messes. So let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, this is a big heavy duty bug.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. Okay, there's an instruction right out of the box.
Right away, you can tell this thing is packed really well. Let's go ahead and open everything up and see what comes with it. Let's take a look at everything you get inside the box. Right here is the main charging and cleaning station, along with the ramp the robot uses to slide in and dock. You also get the cleaning solutions included, and inside this smaller box is the star of the show, the ECOVACS Deebot X12 OmniCyclone itself.
Nice.
You've also got your manual and power cord, and if we flip the robot over, you can see where a lot of the magic happens.
Cool.
Underneath, you've got the roller mop system, the main brush in the center, the side brush for pulling in dirt and debris from the edges, plus the wheels and sensors that help it navigate around your home. So even just from the underside, you can already tell this thing is built to do a lot more than just a basic pass over the floor. Before you can start cleaning, the first thing you'll need to do is download the ECOVACS Home app. From there, it'll guide you through all the basic setup stuff like permissions, region, language, terms, and creating your account with your email and password. Once that's done, connecting the X12 is actually pretty straightforward. You just lift up the top cover on the vacuum, scan the QR code inside, and the app pretty much takes it from there. After that, you flip on the power switch, hold down the Bluetooth button for a few seconds until you hear the prompt, and the built-in voice guidance helps you through the rest. Then all you have to do is connect it to your home Wi-Fi, keep the app open while it pairs, and once it's connected, you can even name your vacuum if you want. You can also set up the voice assistant, and with this one, you can use OK Yico to control it.
Okay, Yico.
At your service.
Wow.
From now on, just say, "Okay, Eco," to wake me up.
Cool.
After that, I just removed all the protective wrapping from the charging station, snapped the ramp into place, which was really easy. Just press it down until it clicks. And just like that, we were ready to get this thing going. Alright, now that everything was connected through the app, it was time to see the Deebot actually get to work. We placed it where we wanted the station, got everything ready, and hit Map Your Home so it could start learning the layout of the main floor.
Deebot started mapping and will automatically learn every corner of your home.
As soon as it rolled out of the dock, it started making its way through the house, scanning each area and building the map live in the app as it went. And honestly, this part was pretty cool to watch because you could actually see it moving from the living room to the dining room, into the kitchen, and around the rest of the floor while the map kept updating in real time. It also recognized the stairs and stopped safely, moved across different floor surfaces, and kept working its way through the space like it was figuring everything out on the fly. So this first run is really all about teaching the X12 where everything is, so later on it can clean more efficiently. And once it was done mapping the area, it automatically headed right back to the charging station and docked itself.
Start charging.
Now that the mapping is finished and the Deebot has docked itself back at the station, there are just a couple final setup steps before it's ready to start cleaning. First, over here on the left side, you can open up the panel, and this is where the cleaning solutions go. You've got two slots here. The blue slot is for the regular cleaning solution, and the black slot is for the heavy-duty cleaning solution. Once those are in, you just slide them back into place and close the panel. Then around the back, you've got the clean water tank. You just fill it up to the max line, slide it back in, and that's pretty much it. At this point, the Deebot is fully set up and finally ready to get to work. Now, one of the biggest features ECOVACS is highlighting on the X12 is FocusJet. You can actually see the spray hitting the stain first to help soften it up before the robot comes through to clean it. So instead of just rolling over the mess and hoping it comes up, it's treating the stain first, then cleaning it. That's a big deal for tougher messes because it gives the X12 a more effective way to handle dried on spots compared to a regular vacuum. Now, after the FocusJet helps soften the stain, this is where the OZMO Roller really starts to do its job. So it's not just spraying the mess and moving on. It actually follows that up by rolling through and mopping it up. And that's what makes this whole process work better, because you've got the stain getting treated first and then the roller coming right behind it to clean it off the floor. It returns to the base station to recharge while replenishing cleaning solution.
Let's start washing the roller mop with hot water,
which helps it keep cleaning more effectively as it goes. And for wet messes especially, that's something you definitely want, because the goal is not to just move the mess around. It's to actually pick it up and leave the floor looking clean. And if you let the shot play a little longer, you can really see that one pass clean a lot better. The stain gets treated, the roller comes through, and you can actually see the floor looking noticeably cleaner right after. Of course, it's not just about wet messes. You also want to know how it handles regular dirt, crumbs, and particles around the house. So this is where the blast suction comes into play. With visible particle pickup, you can really see it handling the everyday stuff that builds up in a busy home. And that matters because most of the messes around the house are not dramatic. It's usually crumbs, dust, and little debris that just keep showing up every day. And if you've got pets or long hair in the house, another important feature here is ZeroTangle. This is designed to help reduce hair wrapping around the main brush, which is one of the biggest headaches with a lot of vacuums. So if you've got dogs, cats, or just a lot of hair around the house, that's another big everyday benefit that makes this feel a lot more practical. Another thing I wanted to show more clearly is the edge cleaning. From the rear angle, you can get a much better look at how the roller extends out closer along the edges, which helps it clean tighter to walls and corners instead of just missing those spots. Another nice thing here is how the X12 moves through tighter spaces around the house. ECOVACS calls this True Pass, and it basically helps the robot move more smoothly through narrow areas like around furniture, chair legs, and tighter pathways without getting hung up as easily. And in a real home, that actually matters because not every room is just wide open space. And another feature worth mentioning is the dry and wet separation system. That's helpful because it's designed to better manage different types of messes while cleaning, instead of treating everything exactly the same. One feature that's pretty cool during cleaning is that the X12 doesn't just go back to the station to wash, it can also recharge while it's there. ECOVACS calls this power boost charging, and it allows for a 13% power replenishment within just a 3-minute wash. So while it's back at the dock refreshing the system, it's also getting a quick power boost before heading back out. And when you show that app charging screen, it gives people a better idea of how the system is working behind the scenes instead of just looking like it's randomly going back to the base. Inside the app, some days you may just want to vacuum, other days you may want it to vacuum and mop, and if you've got company coming over or one area needs extra attention, you can change the settings and target exactly what you want cleaned. So instead of one basic mode for everything, you can really adjust it around what your home needs that day. Then of course, another big part of this setup is the OmniCyclone station, and this is one of the major benefits of this version. The X12 OmniCyclone uses a bagless system, which means you're not constantly buying and replacing disposable dust bags. So over time, that's just one less thing to worry about, and it helps keep long-term maintenance a little easier too. And at least for our household, that's really where something like this fits in best. When you've got kids, a busy schedule, and a lot going on, vacuuming and mopping can easily turn into just another chore sitting on your list. So having something that can stay on top of the floors for you really does save time and helps take one more thing off your plate. It's honestly been a really nice addition to the house because instead of always thinking about when we need to clean next, we can just let it do the work and focus on everything else. And just a quick note, ECOVACS also offers a bagged version for users who prefer that setup, so there are different options depending on your needs.
Alright guys, that's gonna be my look at the ECOVACS Deebot X12 OmniCyclone. Big thanks to ECOVACS for sending this over and collaborating with us on today's video. Overall, I think this is really solid option for busy households, especially if you want something that can help stay on top of everyday messes and save you some time around the house. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have the link down in the description below, and using our link really helps support our channel, so we definitely appreciate it. And let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about the X12? Is this something you could see yourself using in your home?
Maybe.
And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future reviews and adventures. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.